Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this pair of earrings for Valentine's Day or for other occasion. They are so cute and beautiful, and they are quite easy to make because they are made only of two paper arts. Okay, let's get started to create this beautiful pair of earrings. Okay, we will create one. Okay, we will need to create a template for the big heart, paper heart, and for the other paper heart I will use a paper punch. Here the measure. Okay, we will need a piece of paper in order to create our template. We will do in this way. Okay. Okay, cut it, fold enough the paper, and then with a pencil start to trace your paper heart. Or if you want, I have on my blog a template. I will post the link below this video, so if you don't have time to create your template, you can go there to my blog, print out the template, resize because it's a little big, and then use it to create this pair of earring. Okay, now we will have our template, and we will create with this template two, because this is made of two paper heart that I glue together. Okay, we will do in this way. With a pair of scissors we will cut, trace and cut our paper heart. Okay, voila, the first one, and then we will create the second one. If you want, you can also glue this to the other, to the paper, and then cut at the end. I prefer to create the two paper art in a separate cut. Okay. 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 Now we will have our two paper heart, and with some glue, with the vinyl glue, the white one, we will glue the first piece of paper heart to the other. Don't worry for the glue, because we will cover our earring with some nail polish. Okay, here your paper heart. Now just a second, that we need only to finish my paper heart. Okay, now now we will need to create this that I created before. You will need a paper punch, paper heart punch. You will create two, and then we will glue together also these two. Okay, but before gluing one to the other one, we will do in this way. We will glue our stud here. Okay, now we will need to do in this way, press down in order to have this little sign. I don't know if you are able to see it. And then now we will create our hole. Voila. And then we will glue this part to the other one. Okay. Voila. Okay. Leave it to dry, and then when the glue is ready, we will we will cover our ring with some nail polish with glitter. I found this great nail polish in red, with glitter in red, and then I will use this kind of glitter. Okay, we will cover all our future earring. Okay, and leave it to dry. I suggested that you cover your paper heart 2 or 3 times with the nail polish, because it will become waterproof and very for me it's better with 2 or 3 coats. Okay, now we will need to put the nail polish here, and then we will do the same on the back. Now leave it to dry. Okay, okay, now that this part is ready and dried, we will need to cover the back that I did before, so in order to that the video doesn't become too long. Okay, and then we will need to attach the same here. I covered before. Now it's ready. They are ready, the 2 parts, and then we will need to put together. We will punch a hole here. Okay, and then voila. Okay, we will need to punch a hole also in this part. Okay, voila. No, a little bigger, but okay. Okay, and now we will put together our earring. Voila. Okay. Voila. Here your finished earring, and they are quite nice. You can also put another coat of layer of nail polish, or if you want you can leave it in this way. I will show you only that I tried to use and to glitter my paper with only glitter and white glue. This is the final result. You can use also this technique. You will cover your paper heart with the vinyl white glue, and then you put on your paper hearts some red glitter, and then when dried you will have your glitter paper, and it's quite nice also in this way. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with another paper creation. Bye bye.